In today's video, I'm gonna be making slime school. I'm gonna try not to get caught, but it's my last day, so I doubt they're gonna catch me. Sorry, this quality is different. It's on my phone. It's not on my actual camera, so. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Hey guys, this is gonna be my videographer for this period. Me.
Hi Abrams fans, my name is Jackie, but y'all can call me Jackie.
In a video.
Vlogging.
It's not a vlog, it's a video for my main channel. Food coloring.
You're making slime in class?
Okay, you can be any louder, please. So bra, containers.
I think it's Shireen.
People are so loud. How?
Hey guys,
Oh, my broken nail! You saw my nail.
we're gonna do slime back bombs.
I'm weak.
Oh, me? Oh, hi everyone. I need slime lip gloss.
I'm weak.
Hey guys, Jackie here. So we're gonna show y'all how to make edible.
What the? I also bought some glue. They're looking at my.
Do you not know how to
Oh, you don't know what I'm gonna do.
be like a true Abrams fan?
Pink. I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna look at it. Finger mixing stick. Eunice, you're not videogenic.
She just wins the video.
I know.
Shit is recording. Oh, I'm sorry. Fast forward.
You wanna mix it?
Teamwork makes the dream work. Wow, the consistency.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Okay, Miss Miranda's coming. Go, 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 go.
So all you need is glue and water?
That's how you know she's fake. She don't watch my videos.
I know.
Oh my god, it's coming together, you guys. You see how it's coming together? It's ready to knead.
Caught.
You guys, it's done.
Show it, show it.
And should I add a phloem? Should I
How to make slime in 3 minutes.
You guys, I'm gonna add phloem.
Okay, that one.
Adding phloem, you guys.
I've always wanted to do that. Oh, it's like the one from the TV, right? Is the one that makes sounds?
They all make sounds.
You making them, I guess. I think you need more bolitas. What is that, a water?
So this is the final product. We made a phloem. I should have brought scent. So it's a purple one. And yeah.
Is this supposed to count?
Yeah. It's a crunchy slime.
Makes me want to eat it.
Cómetelo then. Okay, you guys, I'll see you next period when we make another slime. Okay, stop. Okay, guys, this is the last slime we made. This is how the end product came out.
Later. You took 2? I didn't get one.
¿Cómo se siente?
Se siente rico.
Muy. Are you really about to eat it? Don't eat it.
No, it's really late.
It smells like glue.
That was on the edge.
Well, I can't smell, so I don't know why it's smelling.
Are you making? No, get it.
Let me see. Can I touch it?
Y'all wanna make slime?
Yeah. Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
So, wait, can I say something for the video? Okay, what's up? Welcome to DIYs by Abraham. Subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to his channel down below, and if you want,
Don't forget to leave a like on all his videos.
Yes, and leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And let's get into it.
Let's get it.
Week.
So you guys are gonna start making slime. I already made my
Wait,
slime.
what do I mix this with?
Yeah.
Glue and
What else?
Oh,
do you
just
put?
put the glue first.
Yeah, but they're Abraham's.
You want white glue or
And I like clear glue.
you want white glue?
Opaque or non-opaque?
I'll use clear.
Okay.
I like the clear glue.
So
If
that's,
it takes too long, what you want to do is you just want to just unscrew the cap.
oh
It's gonna come
yeah.
just plop.
DIYs with Teresa.
There you go.
I'm just gonna make a little bit of slime here today. Some pink.
That's how you know you don't watch my videos.
What color do I want?
I'm gonna put 5 drops, you know. Let's mix it up a
If
bit.
you guys didn't know, we're in ceramics class. Say hi, Leslie.
Hi, Leslie. If you want to make it really specific, we're in advanced ceramics.
Advanced. Get it right.
Technically, it's a split class.
Do you have the other? You have another stick?
No.
Miss Butler might have another stick.
Actually, this pink isn't looking to the right opacity that I want it to.
It's hot pink.
I want to add a couple more squirts. Make it look vibrant, you know. Mix it up a bit. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. I actually don't like pink, but it's the closest thing to red, so.
There, Abraham.
I can add a little bit.
You're back to Miss Butler.
Yes, please.
Okay.
I don't know if that would have made red, but you know.
What else?
Next, Abraham actually mixed a little bit of orange in there just to.
No, wait,
Brighten
so
it up
she's
a little
using
bit.
that stick, and then I'm gonna use that stick.
No, this is my stick. I found this stick like 3 years ago.
We'll say what.
Little at a time.
Yeah, we're just gonna put a little bit. I think that's good enough, to be honest.
Oh my god.
And watch the slime come to life.
You can pour a little bit more.
Pour a little bit more.
Bora.
Petito mouse.
Yeah, pour a little bit more. Just a tad bit more.
Watch her pour the whole bottle.
You're too weird.
Thanks. Found something I don't know.
It's too sticky.
That's what she said.
Fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
It looks like moco.
Keep putting
Moco
more.
de
Put
gorilla.
more.
Moco de gorilla.
You guys should go buy Karina Garcia's new slime book at Target or at Barnes & Noble.
Target?
Yeah. You should go buy it, Leslie.
If you give me the money, I'll buy it.
No. Hi, Karina. I know you're gonna watch this.
It's just purple. And I add 4 drops. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Because I've been in high school for 4 years.
Goals.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the. I've been in high school for 6.
Yes.
The borax.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Borax.
And then add a little bit. Oh, you know what? Okay.
I need more purple. Can I see the purple? She's talking, Grace.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Do you have a little stick thingy?
I don't. You can use my pencil.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
If my people know, I use a pencil to stir my slime.
Okay, now we will begin the stirring process.
Yes, stir that slime.
This is so
You
ugly.
put so little glue.
Échale más. Should I put more? Abraham? Sorry.
No, that's good. What happened? Here, let me put some glue for you.
Oh my god, Abraham.
That's good.
Okay, so now do you just add the borax to this?
Yeah. Add a little bit, remember.
I can't even stir this. I
Go.
can stir like soup.
Go. Keep going.
Reversals?
You guys, so now she's putting foam beads. I bought a big bottle of foam beads.
I made a mess. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, put more borax.
Look, this is
I'll
my
just keep mixing
This is my
right now.
second time being on YouTube, so I get a bit nervous. I'm sorry.
What if I drink this?
You'll die.
Hey, wait. Drinks.
I will do it.
How many like?
5,000 likes.
No, wait. No.
You
No, I was using it.
500. Say 500.
No.
Okay, so 500 likes. Leslie will drink.
It's gonna get 500 likes. You're gonna try.
No.
We're making a video. You wanna be in it?
It's like really sticky. Did I like?
Oh.
No. Let me see your hand. Let me.
Yeah.
That's good.
Wait.
You have lotion?
Oh my god.
No.
Mira.
Okay, let's see. So she's almost done with hers. She's just adding a little bit more for us.
Gauge.
Oh my god.
Wait, Abraham.
Let me see.
Are you gonna mention us in your bio or in the description?
Hold up, that needs more borax.
Abraham,
Hold up.
Want me to shout
Hold
out
up.
hardware?
Hold up. Yeah.
can you mention us in your description?
What's your
description
Okay,
box.
so my Instagram is there's5 and my second account is
There's
Korea.
not 5 anymore.
So there we go.
My Instagram is Grace X Duarte, and my backup is Grace with 2 E's, D 2 E's 2.
Add me
It's
on
a complicated
Snapchat,
backup.
Teresa14MC.
Okay, that's enough.
Hey, can you?
My friend Darling will assist me in the slime process.
Are you that my?
I told you to add more borax.
Oh my god.
Go wash your hands.
Is that borax?
Put it in.
You're getting all over Abraham's backpack.
Hold up. Hold up. No, go wash your hands. Stop.
Don't shoot my face.
It is recording.
Go wash.
I think that means it's recording.
Stand up. So Abraham, tell us, what are you doing?
Make it slime.
Show us what's going on here.
Darling.
Process.
Hey, can you take this off my hand?
Go wash your hands. Hey guys, so I'm all dirty because of Darling. Oh yes, that's a nice slime. Is that Flown? What's yours, Teresa?
What?
What's yours?
Mine is just pink.
It's Pink Justice.
With
Yeah.
Flown?
Yeah, with foam balls.
Mine's purple and foam.
I don't. Yeah. Foam.
What's yours? Just don't put it on clothing though.
It'll get stuck.
It will never come out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Gauge knows.
mine rib.
You guys want to mix them together?
Yes.
Yes.
Sounds like a good idea.
You want to mix them? Okay, mix them together.
So just
Okay, so let's
Can I just like make my own?
Wait, I'm
put
like,
them all in. Abraham, why don't you mix them together into your channel?
I'm not trying to get demonetized.
shady as a fox.
So thick.
¿Cuánto ves?
El reloj. Yes.
He was hitting the money shot.
That's the money shot. Look at that.
Okay.
Okay then.
And this is why Leslie won't be coming back on the channel. I'm so sorry. It'll just be me, Grace, Faber.
Show Leslie.
This is Dionisio.
Holly, hi.
Leslie's
like
going to
looking at
UC
people make
Irving.
slime.
I'm trying to focus it. You know how to make slime, Dionisio?
Yeah. I made slime in my 8th grade science class.
Me. You know what we'll give you? Miss Butler, you want to make slime?
Hi
He's
guys,
like,
this is my
"No."
I just wanted to make a blue one as you guys made every other color.
Interesting.
Be
Could've
different,
made
you know?
green.
I don't have yellow.
We have orange. Close enough.
But it doesn't make green.
I'm making it. Hey Alfred.
That's not green.
Damn. That took forever. Say, my name is Alfred. Follow me.
My name is Alfred. Y'all should follow me on Twitter. Capital O, Obama, capital A, Alfred.